Hey, what's up guys, it's your boy Jay, the Motor Marauder, starting back in to the channel, giving you guys another moto vlog on the Marauder in the fall or the winter. Been batch recording this thing for a while. You guys probably know by now in the videos I don't say I'm batch recording, but hey, I am batch recording. That's just how my schedule works. And yeah, I'm running with one hand right now because we're going a straight line. Might need a break now. Yeah. Anyways, welcome back to the channel guys. Hope you guys are having a great time. I'm recording, man, because I am behind on schedule on videos. So I'm batch recording as much as I can right now. I'm pretty sure when I was a kid, there's a farm in this area that I would always go to. I'm gonna go there right now and see. I'll see if I actually remember the farm is actually on this side, or if I'm just being delusional and it's probably like somewhere way back over there where I can't even remember anymore. It's like an empty road. Yeah, I was right. It is this house right here. I used to pick berries over here with during the summer months, as kids usually do, to make some extra cash. We just pick some berries. I think the entrance is over here somewhere, unless they changed it. Wait, maybe it wasn't that house. I think it is that house, but they own this entire piece of land. Actually, no, that's not it. Bear, come on. It's this one. This one. Yes, it was this one. I remember now. Man, that's a massive house. Yeah, this one. Was it? Yes, it was this one. I used to come here as a kid a lot to come pick berries with my family, summer months, make some extra cash after my friends come back from work. Just come here with my siblings and my parents. I just pick some berries for a few hours. Honestly, I don't know where I'm going right now, because I haven't been here in a while. Hey, this house looks nice. Well, that one portion of the house looks nice. I think that part's new. Anyways, I haven't been in this area in a long time, so I don't really know what to expect here. So we're just gonna go with the flow and see. Oh, Zero Avenue. This is next to the border. Shit, hopefully I don't get lost. Can I take a Snapchat? No, maybe we'll take a filter here. No, not filter. A photo. Actually, yeah. First spot, cars coming around. I'm not gonna risk it. Too many cars coming. Why is it busy like this all of a sudden, man? Never usually is like this. Like, I'm pretty sure. Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna go. Oh, that was a weird interaction. Wait, is that the United States right there? Is that the States? I feel like that's part of the border. Is that? Hope it's not. I don't think it is. It can't be that easy to just hop over to the States. Let's see guys, wait, what's that plate? Is that plate Canadian or you American? That plate's Washington. This is the border. That's the Washington border. Well, not Washington or whatever. That is the border. That's the States. What the heck? I didn't think it'd be like that. What the heck, man? Yeah, it is. What the heck? So weird. Anyways, I lost my train of thought where I'm going on this entire thing. But yeah, we're just going out. Oh, there's literally no one on the road right now. This is amazing. I can do whatever I want right here. Except there's, well, these houses. But hey, this is Canada. That's the US. Is that Washington plates? Is that US plates too? I want to see a car comes outside and see if it has the US plates. Is that Border Patrol right there? That might be Border Patrol. 15 miles per hour. That is the States, yo. Oh, that's honestly really cool. I don't know where I'm going. Hopefully I'm not going to the border right now. Bender Road. Yeah, that is a bender. Yo, that's pretty cool, man. Those ones are pretty cool. Alright guys, so on my way back. Honestly, let's just end this video here and let's see what it goes on afterwards. Yeah, I'm still recording. Alright. Yeah, so guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Hopefully my mic's recording right now. I haven't been able to upgrade the mic yet. So hopefully it's working. It was a bit finicky at first. So with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. It's your boy Jay, the Motor Marauder, signing out. Hopefully you guys staying cool. Sorry, staying warm. Yeah, stay warm, not cool in these colder months. Stay warm, stay very hydrated. Love y'all. Thanks for all the support, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Alright? See ya.